guys, look what showed up today. My Collier intake shows up today. I ordered it from Amazon. This is for Acura 2006. So I'm going to show you guys what comes in the box. So this piece here, we're going to have a filter. So I'm just going to pull it all out. This is really light, really light, looking real nice. So we got this piece here, and this filter for the air intake, real nice, real nice. Then you have this piece here for the connection. So it's like this. This is for the battery. Yeah, you put this right here. Yeah. So this is gonna go here, just like this. Then this piece right here with the two clamps. Then this goes right here for this connection. So this is just what comes in the box for the Collier intake for the Acura 2006. I purchased this from Amazon. So with taxes and shipping, it's like $75. On the next video, we're gonna show you how we install all of this together. Intake right here. This is what comes with the box. It's like a rubber thing here, connected very nice. This is sensor right here, as you could tell. So I connect this just the same with this reducer. I just leave it like that. Yeah, all the way down here. But this wasn't so easy like how it was said to be installed. I gotta do it like mine like this. So it's not very easy to connect back to the battery as how they said right here. You got to find a way for it to connect right here.